Each time you complete research for this class, you're going to post information about that research on a Padlet. To find the Padlet, scroll down through the module and you can link on the Padlet. The Padlets are also posted in the menu on the left if you want to go back and look at the results that your classmates posted after the module is finished. Click on the Padlet, and there you go. Now, when you get to the Padlet, the first thing you want to do is log in. You can log in with a variety of accounts, or you can create your own free Padlet account. I'm going to log in using my free Padlet account. It's important that you log in so that way I can see what you've posted and you can earn credit for it. Once you're logged in, go and find the pink plus sign in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Click on that, and it will bring up the space for you to post your research. The first thing you need to do is type in the information about what you researched. So I'm going to put that this is an interview with a 4th grade teacher. Look at the assignment directions to see what information you need to include here. Usually you need to include specifically the source of your research, the article title, or in this case, the person you interviewed. Please don't use names. If it's an article you want to put in addition to the title, you also want to put the journal or magazine where you found the article. If it's something on the internet, you can either put the name of the website that's on or put the URL. Once you've done that, it's time to record your video. Go to these 3 dots to the right of the camera and choose Video Recorder. You're going to want to allow the use of the microphone, and there you go. So once you have your video recording screen, you're just going to click on the video recorder button to start recording. Make sure that you have your notes ready so when you start recording, you know what you want to say. Hi, I'm Laura Hutton, and I'm showing how you use Padlet. When you're finished, just push the pause, and now you can play back and listen to it. Okay, if you're happy with the recording, you can click Save. If you're not happy, you can do it again. It takes a few moments to process, so now you see here on the Padlet is your recording that you made, your video. Here's the title, the information that you put about where the video came from, and your name because you have signed in. It also tells you how long the video is. Please note that Padlet can only record videos up to 4 minutes in length. This will be visible to all of your classmates. So when you log on to Padlet, if you're not the first person to log in, you'll see the recordings that your classmates have already posted, and then yours will go on the page as well. Remember, you need to not only post on the Padlet, you also want to go through and look at the postings by your classmates. And then you can like the postings that you think are particularly well done.